Hi friends, today I am doing unboxing one screwdriver. So I am back from Flipkart and its price is 37 rupees only, and this product is delivered today. So let's unbox. This bill. This box packing is very nice and very heavy packing. Okay, so this is bill of this product. This price 31, GST 5 rupees, and total price 37. And it is our product. It is very nice product from Flipkart, and its finishing is very nice and very soft. So this product is very good, and this product company name is taparia. Taparia. Yeah, taparia. And model number is 8231. Sorry, 823i. So it is our product. Thank you guys. And when you watch this video, you have just do one word: give me one like and subscribe, because I am buy from a lots of product. I am buy a lots of product from Flipkart. So thank you for like and subscribe.